Okay. Since the initial number of I is not a multiple of 3, yeah, uh, we cannot transform mi to mu because to make mu uh, we need to transform the number of i's uh, which is triple i's. Okay, can we ever make the number of i's a multiple of 3? Yeah. Okay, let's try to prove this by using mathematical induction. Okay, we start with mi and apply any legal sequence of moves. The number of i's is never a multiple of 3. Yeah, this is our lemma. Okay. Let's try to prove it by induction. Yeah. So this remember in the basic step of mathematical induction, we must describe the hypothesis. Yeah. What is the hypothesis? Which is the Pn. What is Pn? Pn is after making n legal moves, starting with string mi, the number of i's is not a multiple of 3. Yeah. So uh this is our interpretation of the lemma, okay? Because our lemma says that if we start from mi, yeah, and apply the legal sequence of moves, the number of i's is never a multiple of 3, ya. Karena di lemma ini kita bilang bahwa mulai dari MI, kemudian menerapkan operationnya, maka eh, the number of I itu nggak akan bisa mencapai kelipatan 3, gitu. Ya. So now our hypothesis our hypothesis is after making n legal moves, yeah, we have to make a hypothesis based on this lemma. Okay. Setelah melakukan n tahap, ya, starting with string mi dan dimulai dari mi, ya, the number of i's is not a multiple of 3. Ya. Jumlah dari i itu nggak akan mencapai kelipatan 3. Okay. All these 3 points, yeah, are interpreted from the lemma. Okay. Okay. So now we want to prove Pn holds for all n element of natural numbers. Okay. N itu apa? Maksudnya adalah tahapan atau iterasi keberapa gitu ya. Jadi setelah misalkan kita sudah menerapkan 5 langkah, so N will be 5. So suppose we have implement the 5 steps, the N the N will be equal to 5. Okay. So remember in the mathematical by induction, we must also define the base case. Yeah, the base case. Okay, what is the base case? Which is the P0. Here is the P0. Okay, we show that after making no moves, the number of i's is not a multiple of 3. Okay, P0 meaning that berapa step, ya kan? We have no step ya, no moves ya. Kalau P sama dengan, maaf, N sama dengan 0, berarti there are no moves. Tidak ada step. Okay. The number of i's is not a multiple of 3. Why? Because kalau tidak ada move, maka MI ini tidak berubah. Ya. MI cuma punya satu I. It only have one I. Meaning that it is not a multiple of 3. Okay, so mi has one I in it, so which is not a multiple of 3. Okay, so next, for the inductive step, assume for some n element of natural number that Pn holds, yeah, and then and that after any sequence of n operations, the number of i's is not a multiple of 3. Yeah. Since we have proved the P0 or the base case, we can continue for the inductive step. Yeah. So kalau untuk inductive step, we must assume that uh, untuk semua natural number, ya, that Pn holds, ya, Pn holds itu maksudnya adalah tadi ya, Pn ini itu berlaku, ya, Pn is true, ya. That after any sequence of n operations, ya, setelah n tahap, n moves, n steps, ya, the number of eyes is not a multiple of three. Ya, ini maksudnya adalah interpretasi dari our previous hypothesis. Okay, okay. Next, we prove Pn plus one that after n plus one operations, the number of eyes is not a multiple of three. Ya, kalau misalkan Pn is true, then Pn plus 1 is also true, ya, which is our goal to prove that, okay? Nah, please take note that n plus 1 operations is formed from a sequence of n operations followed by one final operations. Ya, jadi remember ya, kalau n plus 1 itu berarti n ditambah satu lagi gitu kan. Nah, di sini karena konteksnya adalah tahapan atau steps atau moves, if we have reached an operations ketika kita sudah mencapai n tahap, maka n plus one is kita tambahkan satu tahap lagi, one final operations ya. So that is what n plus one mean ya. Okay. So the inductive hypothesis, yeah, by the inductive hypothesis, after the first n operations, the number of i's is not a multiple of 3. Yeah. Where can we get this again? From our hypothesis, yeah. And then before performing the n plus first operation, yeah, the number of i's either has the form 3k plus 1 or 3k plus 2. What is this? What is 3k plus 1 and 3k plus 2? 3k plus 1 and 3k plus 2. So 3k plus 1 and 3k plus 2, meaning that any number that is not a multiple of 3. Ya. Kalau multiple of 3 itu kan pasti dia adalah 3K ya. 3K is the multiple of 3. Yeah. So if we want to say a number that is not a multiple of 3, it's either 3K plus 1 or 3K plus 2. What about 3K plus 3? No. 3K plus 3 is a multiple of 3. Yeah. So meaning that this is a multiple of 3. Ya. Jadi dia akan menjadi 3K plus 1. Ya. Oke. Oke. Hopefully this is pretty clear ya. Oke. So, which means ya, let's get back to the number that is not a multiple of 3 ya. Let's get back here. Okay, now consider the n plus first operation. Okay, we have three cases. Yeah, we have three cases. The first case, double the string after the m. Okay, double the string after the m. Yeah. Ini case one atau operation one. Oke. Nah, how many i's after we double the string after TM? Ya, berapa jumlah i ketika kita gandakan? Pertanyaannya itu, ya. Berapa jumlah i ketika kita gandakan? Pertama, kita harus lihat berapa jumlah i sekarang, ya. How many is the current i's, ya. The current i's adalah 3K plus 1 or 3K plus 2. The current i's are 3K plus 1 or 3K plus 2. Okay? So let's check after we double the strings. Oke. Ketika kita menggandakan 3K plus 1, maaf, kita menggandakan I, maka jumlah I-nya akan menjadi 2 dikali 3K plus 1. Dari mana ini? Gitu kan? Ketika kita mau menggandakan, berarti kan kita mau mengalikan 2. Apa yang dikalikan 2? Yang dikalikan 2 kan tadi 3K plus 1 yang ada di sini, ya. This 3K plus 1, oke? Okay? What we get is 6K plus 2 here, which is 3 multiples by 2K plus 2. Okay, let's try to interpret this result. Ya, kita dapat 3 multiples by 2K plus 2. Pertanyaannya adalah, is 2K an integer? Yes, ya, 2K adalah integer. Anggap 2K ini adalah M. Ya, so let's try to say that M sama dengan 2K. Maka 32K plus 2 could become 3M plus 2. Okay. Nah, familiar with this, ya? If we got 3M plus 2, meaning that 3M plus 2 is a multiple of 3 or not? The answer is, it is not a multiple of 3. Yeah, because remember, the multiple of 3 must be 3 multiple by any integer number. Yeah. So, the first case, 3K plus 1, will not result any multiple of 3 if we double it. Yeah, if we double the i's. Okay. Next, yeah, next, if the current number of i's is 3K plus 2, ya, sama juga, ya. We need to multiple 3K plus 2 by 2, ya, kita kalikan dengan 2. The result will be 3 multiples by 2K plus 1 dikali dengan plus 1. Ya. Remember, 2K plus 1 is an integer. Ya. 2K plus 1 is an integer. Okay. So here, we cannot get the multiple of 3 either. Ya. Kita nggak bisa dapat kelipatan 3 untuk kedua kasusnya. Oke. Okay? So, the conclusion is either way, ya, either way we cannot get the multiple of 3. Ya, kita nggak bisa mendapatkan kelipatan 3 untuk kedua kasus 3K plus 1 dan 3K plus 2. Oke, let's move on to the case 2. Ya, delete W or append U. Ya, so what will happen to the number of i's? Ya, there will be no changes in the number of I. Gak ada perubahan. Oke. Kenapa? Karena di sini yang diubah hanya U, ya. There will be no changes with i's, ya, because the operation doesn't change the